Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. Big, early in the morning sun barely cracked the horizon. Got the whole family up and at 'em and trying to rinse out some tie-dyes for the people. Got a little bit delayed on this batch. Everyone wanted to see what it looked like if they sit for 48 hours. Well, here they are. 48 hours. Closer to 56 actually, but definitely a full 48. It's just a cool shade, different colors, you know. Get some like orange and blue. Like it. People, we do live at an intersection of a major highway, but not for much longer. The audio is about to improve drastically, our lighting's going to get a lot better. More importantly, we can build a permanent outdoor and indoor tie-dye set now, and it's just, oh wow. Y'all just wait.
We're soon to be homeowners.
Bear with us for about another 60 days. Things are going to improve dramatically. And we got some cool videos on the process of all that happening too. Stick with us. We're filming. It takes a long time to edit videos, you know. We film a lot of stuff that has yet to make it up or will never make it up because we don't have time to edit. But one day we'll get it. To the inside.
Our bucket is serving other purposes right now.
Yeah, we got a leaky AC drain at the moment. Got it inside with warm water. Let's get it unbanded. Good transition, warm to be very interesting. Got most of it washed out outside. Let's see what we got. Whoa! Wow.
It's like a little sunshine.
That's like a cool sunset like that. Okay. That is tight. Look at that, people. Wow. Nice. here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful tie-dye. Awesome bullseye, transitioning all the way to that better black and maroon on the edge. Looks like a sunset almost. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. Here's the front. Look at that. Looks like an awesome sunset just spreading out over the horizon. This is probably one of the coolest ones we've done recently for sure. Oh yeah, look at that. Just good definition, good striation, good transition of color. Just a beautiful scene. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.